After cleaning, the soybeans are crushed into flakes using flaking rollers. Flaking increases the surface area of the soybeans, making it easier for the solvent or pressing machinery to extract oil efficiently. The next step typically involves cooking and conditioning the flakes to optimize their structure for oil extraction. Cooking involves heating the flakes to denature proteins and reduce moisture content. The heart of the production line is the oil extraction process, which can be performed either through mechanical pressing or solvent extraction. In the pressing method, screw presses are used to physically squeeze the oil from the soybean flakes. Solvent extraction, on the other hand, following extraction, the crude soybean oil undergoes refining processes, including deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps remove impurities, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorless compounds, resulting in clear, odorless, and stable oil suitable for consumption. Finally, supporting equipment such as conveyors, elevators, storage tanks, and control systems ensure smooth operation and coordination across all stages of the production line. A well-designed soybean oil processing plant not only maximizes efficiency but also minimizes waste.